Welcome to Saisha Spectrum. In today's lecture, we are going to see about a search help object type in data dictionary. In the previous lecture, we have already seen about a domain. So, what is a search help? It is a tool in an SAP that provides a drop-down list or an input help user when entering a field. So, there are two different types of search help: elementary search help and collective search help, where elementary search help is based on a single table or a view, whereas in collective search help combines multiple elementary search helps. So the purpose of search help is it makes in data entry faster, accurate and user friendly by displaying a list of valid values for a selection. So now let us see different steps to create a search help. Very first, go to a initial screen of an data dictionary using AC11 T code. Then choose and search help radio button. Then provide a valid name and then click on the create button. Thereafter, after creating, choose an different types of search help, that is elementary search help or collective search help. Then define different attributes using selection method, search help parameters or an input export parameters. Then provide a short description and set the restrictions or ranges for the data. Then save and activate the search help. Our search help will get created into a data dictionary, and to assign a field we can use SE11 or an SE80 uh, into a table field. So these are very easy steps to create a search help. In the next lecture we are going to see about a lock object.